In this video, I will show you how to use AI for insurance sales. Now, this is going to be aimed at those of you who are managing sales teams. So maybe you are managing a couple of different sales reps, or you want to also practice sales for insurance within one platform. This is going to be it. So this platform is called Kendo AI. Now, Kendo AI is a specifically made platform for end-to-end training and management for sales teams. And it's using AI to pretty much review every sales call that your team takes or you individually. And also it identifies exactly what needs to improve and automatically trains each rep, okay? So how this works is you have your team overview dashboard right here, and you also have your team members right in here. In a second, I will also show you how you can actually use AI to practice your sales calls. Whether you are, a manager that wants, your reps to practice the sales calls, or you are a sales rep. So in this case, as you can see, we have metrics as well. And in the metrics, we can also see average live score, cash collected, close rate, and stuff like that. We can see the dashboard or leaderboard in this case for each sales representative. We can also see the team average trend right here, the key strengths, the top objections that these particular reps had when talking to an AI role play agent, which I'm about to show you that as well. And then we also have call library. So in call library, each of your sales reps, or if you're only using this for yourself, can upload your call recording right here. And when they upload their call recording, they can actually go and AI will give them the call context, the strengths observed, weaknesses observed, customer response, overall impression, scorecards as well, feedback. So what they can improve on, what they need to kind of see or learn for the objection, missed opportunities as well, and then the quality score of this prospect. So this is, as you can see, quite a lot of data, especially for someone that has insurance sales team. Plus you have reviews right here. So you can leave a feedback for each of your sales rep. You also have Kendo AI coach, which can analyze, improve in how you can improve the calls and stuff like that. So for the AI role play, this is actually quite interesting. So you can actually go in here and your AI assistant can actually build a prospect for you. So in this case, tell me more about sales scenario and I'll create a realistic prospect to practice with. What are you selling and who's your ideal buyer? So here I can say I am selling a life insurance. My ideal buyer is someone that doesn't have a life insurance policy in place, preferably someone younger, let's say, okay? So that's something you can do. And then this AI, as you can see, what is the specific training goal for this session, such as overcoming the I am young and healthy objection. So as you can see, it immediately goes in to describing your prospect. So here, what I can say, yes, it's definitely overcoming I am young objection. And then I will basically get this prospect generated. So as you can see, it's currently thinking about it, and it's creating a realistic prospect for my scenario. So as you can see, this is the prospect we got. We can start the session here. And I'm not the best at sales, so bear with me here. So this is where you can start your sales training, right? So this is where you can kind of get started. And then this is where you would be able to see yourself and the transcription here. So let's start sales here. I'll just go here. So I'll allow.
Hello. Whenever you're ready, you can start.
So as you can see, it says, hello, whenever you're ready, you can start. So essentially the signal right here is a signal of your network. And then here you can just unmute yourself and then start with the, the training. So right here, I'll just try for the training and let's test it out. Hey there, Marcus. I saw that you are looking for a life insurance.
Yeah, well, kind of. My wife actually pushed me to take this call, to be honest. She's been on me about it for a while now. But I gotta say, I'm not really sure it's something I need right now. I'm only 31, Seems a bit early to be thinking about all that.
Okay, what do you mean by early? Like, I know most of my clients, they're very young and yeah, they took a life insurance because right now, if they take life insurance at this young of an age, they get a much better percentage and kickback for the family if something happens to you, God forbid.
Yeah, I mean, I hear what you're saying. And look, I get that locking in a rate when you're young makes sense on paper. But honestly, the chances of something actually happening to me at 31 are pretty slim, right? I'm in great shape. I work out, no health issues or anything like that. I feel like those scenarios are kind of edge cases, you know? Plus, I actually already have some coverage through work, so I'm not completely unprotected or anything. That's been my safety net so far.
Okay, got it. I totally understand. Well, think about it like this: when if you ever get, if you ever get a leave from the job, you won't have your insurance anymore. And what happens also is like you wouldn't want your wife, to get left with nothing, right?
Yeah, okay. That's fair. I mean, my wife. She's actually pregnant right now, so I get that there's more at stake than there used to be. And yeah, if I lost my job, the coverage would go away. I guess I didn't really think about that part.
So as you can see, this is just an example. Obviously, yeah, I kind of slacked on one part, but you can see we can go to dashboard and we can kind of get this AI role play, right? We can get this, rated. So if you go to overview here, we can go to AI role play, and this is where we can see the average call score and the score per team member. So in this case, this is me, so I can click on this and then I can see the average live score, the close rate, the top objections, key strengths, performance profile, and all that good stuff. So as you can see, you can also see missed opportunities where I could have leveraged something in terms of like, what they were saying, pain points and stuff like that. Plus, we also have the LMS. So this is where you can upload more content for your sales team, like let's say, programs or courses. And then you also have integrations with Fathom, Slack, Fireflies, webhooks and stuff like that, which is really beneficial for, if you're going to use Kendo AI long term. So I really like Kendo AI. I just wanted to kind of give you an overview of how this works for insurance sales. It's definitely a good way to integrate this within your own business, insurance business, especially if you want to train your sales reps. So if you want to test this out, then click the link below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.